I don't really like saying this, but I am finding something interesting to say. So, till then, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, hi, I'm Yana. I'm 17 years old and a medical student. And here on YouTube, I try to showcase my life, which is boring most of the time. But, anyways, I wake up every day around 8:30, which is pretty late, but got no control on sleep. I did my brush and then I went on to a little home tour. First lecture is of palm and the lecture is of wrist joint and the other joints of hand. I have two lectures of SDLs, that is, if you don't know, self-directed learning, which I think comes under the competency-based curriculum. I think online there is no point of taking SDL. I have two lectures of that, and then the pair mein we have dissection. So I'm virtually gonna dissect. Probably the only thing that I do which my mom is happy about that is drinking hot water in the morning, which actually started due to COVID and now it has become habit and is integral part of my life. And if you ask me if I do exercise in the morning or not, then you probably can see exercise के नाम पे मैं थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे आगे पीछे कर लेती हूँ. That's it.
फ्लेक्सर रेटिन एंकल ओके लोग की इंजरी है तो फ्लेक्सर डिजिटल सप्लाइज द डिजिटल फेलिंग्स बट डिजिटल फेलिंग्स को सप्लाई करने के लिए दे हैव टू क्रॉस द दिस फाइब्रस सेप्टा को क्रॉस करके जा रही है. अब यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, फाइब्रस सेप्टा को ट्रैवर्स नहीं करना लिटरली रन करेगी मेटाकार्पल आर्टरी.
Literally, no matter how hard I try, but the max time that I can focus on is like 30 minutes, and after that, it just gets boring, and
mid palm
boring.
space and the thenar space.
But then, attendance is God, so you probably need it.
Lower margin of the area here up to the stepwise newness.
I'm done with my all lectures. So the morning classes are all done. I did my lunch and then I called my friend. No, actually my friend called me. So we talked on call for like around 40 minutes. Now it's 2 o'clock and we are gonna have so-called practicals, virtual practicals. It will start at 3:30 and currently it's 2 o'clock. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quickly, I think we're gonna have an anatomy exam, upper limb exam. So I'm just gonna study for it. A little thing I'll tell you. So we had our biochemistry and physiology exam within a span of like 4-5 days, and around 9th March we got the notice that we have exam of biochemistry on 18th of March and physiology on 23rd of March. And obviously initial 3 months of college, so they just went like fun, boom, guys. So I didn't, obviously when you people are like more serious about anatomy, so they'd study that more. एंड वो ज़्यादा पढ़ने के चक्कर में वैसे ही तुम कम पढ़ रहे होते हो और वो कम टाइम में तुम एनाटॉमी पढ़ते हो. तो बायोकेमिस्ट्री फिजियोलॉजी जनरली एग्जाम आई डोंट थिंक रेगुलरली कोई भी पढ़ पाए, ऑब्वियसली पढ़ सकते होगे, बट देन आई डिडंट स्टडी. सो फिर अराउंड 7th-8th of March अपर लिम्ब started and then afterwards obviously क्लास में अपर लिम्ब पढ़ाते थे, बट देन घर पे जाके आई वाज स्टडीइंग बायोकेमिस्ट्री एंड फिजियोलॉजी. सो अपर लिम्ब इज़ लाइक, आई थिंक टुडे वाज द लास्ट क्लास ऑफ अपर लिम्ब एंड मैंने अपर लिम्ब में एक ही चीज़ पढ़ी है, क्लेविकल, दैट्स इट. उसके बाद so currently I am starting with all the bones and now I'm gonna study anat for a while and yep, okay, bye. upstairs uh, in the gym. Hello, I'm back. So I initially went downstairs and collected Jim's key. Then I went upstairs. Wrong door. Okay. Then I got up and I went straight to the gym. Not because to do gym, but because it has a very good mirror, like a very large mirror, and it just gives me the mahal of dancing. So, but before that, obviously, you need to open the door, which I wasn't really able to do that because I was obviously moving keys on the wrong side because my stupid brain cannot remember which side to go when to open the door. But okay. About 2 hours, and I really got tired and went घर पे. So I got home and I took a shower because I was feeling very ganda ganda. And now I'm gonna study for a while and then we'll have dinner. Then we'll probably watch a movie or something. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, bye. So there is this ma'am who teaches us physiology, and the senior says that you have to write particular answers from the PPT that she teaches, then only she probably gives marks. So here I am reading ANS, which she recently taught.